Welcome, in front of me is a Realme C15 and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. Now to get started, let's open up the settings, and from settings scroll down to the battery right over here and simply tap on the power saving mode. And right now the battery is in the power saving mode, and that's really all it takes. Now you also have the save power option, which will open up and for me at the moment do literally nothing, but in certain cases, if there are like apps in the background and other stuff happening, it might give you some messages that, for instance, some app is using too much battery, and you can simply optimize it and it will terminate the app and do everything to preserve as much battery. And apart from the normal power saving mode, if we disabled, we also have the super power saving mode. Now as you can see right now available, we have about 15 hours of estimating. Really doesn't really change here much, about an hour of difference with the power saving mode. But if we go for the super power saving mode, we go from 15 or 14 to 22 hours, closer to like 23. But when you turn it on, you will see that the device changes how it really looks. So number one, we don't have any kind of wallpaper, we don't really have any kind of toggles, and we don't really have any kind of apps here. So this is just for like the I guess you're stranded on an island and do you really need your phone to last as long as you possibly can. This will be probably the modes to enable. Now you can add some apps if you want to, but as you can see, priority of this one is just the bare minimum as a phone and messages, and prioritizing just the battery with messages of how long it will last with the current status, as you can see. And once you can charge your phone, you can simply leave this mode by tapping on the exit right over here. Oh, there we go, there's a message popping up. So exit power saving mode, and as you can see there, it goes back to normal. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.